Understanding Fractional Increases, a simple guide. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of the English language and mathematics, fractional increases. This concept might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we're going to break it down into simple, easy-to-understand pieces. By the end of this video, you'll be able to grasp what fractional increases are and how to use this term in your conversations or math problems. The term, fractional increase, refers to the act of increasing something by a fraction or a part of its original value. Unlike a whole number increase, a fractional increase adds only a portion of the original amount. Think of it as adding a slice of pie to an already existing whole pie. You're increasing the amount, but not by another whole pie, just a part of it. To fully understand fractional increases, let's break down the concept. Fraction, a part of a whole, expressed as a numerator, top number, over a denominator, bottom number. For example, 1/2, 3/4, 5/8. Increase, to make something larger or greater in size, amount, or number. When we combine these, a fractional increase means adding a part of the whole to itself. For instance, if you have a pizza and you increase it by a fraction, say 1/4, you're adding 1/4 of the pizza on top of the existing pizza, resulting in a larger amount of pizza. Let's look at some real-life examples to see fractional increases in action. 1. Salary increase. Imagine your monthly salary is $2,000. If you receive a fractional salary increase of 1/4, your salary will increase by $500, which is 1/4 of $2,000, resulting in a new salary of $2,500. 2. Cooking recipes. If a recipe calls for 2 cups of flour and you're asked to increase the amount by 1/2, you'll add 1 cup more, since 1/2 of 2 cups is 1 cup, leading to a total of 3 cups of flour. These examples show how fractional increases are used in everyday situations, making them an essential concept to understand. And there you have it, a simple guide to understanding fractional increases. Whether you're dealing with numbers in a classroom, managing finances, or cooking up a storm in the kitchen, recognizing and calculating fractional increases can be incredibly useful. We hope this video has shed light on the subject and made learning English and math a bit more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.